Alright, this is the elevator here at Guadalquivir 433 in San Pedro, Garza, Garcia. We have a KONE Ecodisc. It's here, and you didn't care it's too bright to see, so we're gonna go up to 4. Door close works. Here at 4. Button R went out. -3. Here should be outside of San Pedro. Here at -3. Let's go for another ride. Sorry. Down here is the garage. I think this is a KONE installed in 2017. So we're gonna get the view from the top. We can. Here at 4 again. Alright. So let's get this amazing view from up here. There it goes. Out there is the mountain Chipinque. Right there, that right down there is Chipinque, and here's the MPE. Look how great the view is from the top. So there's just many places still yet to be rented, and right there's the Mountain Mitras, and right over there, way down there, Santa Catarina, and there's not much to see. Right there's the El Cerro La Silla. So yeah, down here is the parking lot, and there's some plazas that are still yet in construction. So we're gonna go back down now. So it's just your nice elevator, except that a piece of floor is broken. So we're gonna go down to the PV and we're gonna end it there. And let's do your cab view. Your nice KONE Ecodisc elevator. And look in the mirror. Hey, here are your fixtures, and there's the indicator. And here right back at PV. All right. Here back at the first floor now, and pause if you want to read that. All right, there it goes, and that's it.